everybody, and welcome back to a new vlog and to my channel. Today is a big day because this is my first night in the apartment on my own. I am very happy. Obviously, I've made a lot of progress since the last video. If you haven't watched all of my moving vlogs, I have 2 of them before this one, so I will link them down below if you want to watch them. But today we got the Wi-Fi set up. We got the fridge coming tomorrow for the kitchen, and I'm spending the night here so that they can. So I'm already here when they're ready to come. And since I'm already here, and also I feel more comfortable now here because I've packed everything. Everything was moved. So this is the current state. I have 1, 2, 3 suitcases of just clothes. This one has like some random shit and then just random stuff. This is shoes. Do I have? Oh yeah, I have. Oh yeah, this is the shoe box as well. I don't even know, like the rest of my shoes are just scattered around here. And I feel like I want to start unpacking just a little bit and take it easy. Like I don't feel any rush whatsoever to pack or anything, and or to unpack. And I just want to take my time. But I have my TV here, my dresser, which I have no idea what I'm gonna put in these drawers. No idea whatsoever. This is a little bulky for me here, so I don't know what to do with it. I think I'm gonna start unpacking the kitchen because I feel like that's the easiest part. Everything here is new. I don't know how do I own all of this when I didn't even have my own kitchen. But yeah, this is all the food that I got from my parents' house. This is what I had in the pantry, in my own pantry. So everything that's like easily stored and stuff. Alright guys, this is the progress that I've made. I have a little bit of everything. I have these plates over here. I have the pots in this one, which I'm really glad that I have a drawer for the pots because you know how they get really annoying in spaces like these. And I have the pans over here. What else do I have? That's it. I unpacked all of these, but I'm going to wash them and wash the glasses as well before I use them because I'm going to store everything dry, like the pasta and the rices and everything. I have the cutting board over there. Here's how I'm going to organize the kitchen. So because the coffee machine is going to be here, the kettle is going to be here, I'm gonna put everything coffee related on in these cabinets. So the coffee and the coffee mugs are going to be here. I'm going to put the blender probably over there or maybe down here. It depends. I think down here it's easier so I can reach for it easier. I have this little thing here. I'm going to buy like a multi-outlet thing so that I can have the coffee machine and the kettle already on so I can use them anytime, and then also I can have like the freedom to use them both at the same time. So I have all of the trash over here, which I still have no idea where to put the trash. What else? And that is the only progress I've made, actually. It doesn't seem like a lot. I'm just gonna make instant noodles and get it together and go to sleep because I'm really, really hungry. Let's get the pan. I'm gonna wash it and make them and eat it and probably go to sleep. Okay, so you know how I said I was gonna eat and go to sleep? Well, actually, I finished. Okay, thank you, sir. I finished unpacking the whole ass kitchen, and I'm like, I just could not stay. I was feeling very comfortable, so I felt like I was rested enough to get back into the kitchen, and I'm really excited that I did. So now everything is at least in cabinets. Then I will figure out like how to organize everything. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and I woke up like 2 hours ago, I think, and I forgot about my code on my phone. So I completely forgot about my code. I cannot unlock it right now. I cannot call anyone. I cannot check out my notifications. I can't text anybody. I have a stuffy voice because I got allergies, not from the apartment, but because the comforter right there is actually full of dust, and I should have taken it to the dry cleaners, and that's what I want to do, but I got really cold in the morning, so I was like, you know what, fuck it, let me use it. And now I have a stuffy voice and allergies. Anyway, I was supposed to meet up with my mom for breakfast, but I can't call her now, and I don't know if she's gonna call me. She's probably gonna say, like, let her sleep, whatever, let her text me when she's up, but I'm actually up and I can't. And I don't have Wi-Fi to use it on my computer or anything. My phone is my internet, so yay, first morning, being a dumbass. Okay, so I'm back from breakfast with mommy, and I completely forgot to film what we got, but it was so cute, it was so calm, it was so chill. And now today, on today's list is the bedroom, aka the closet. All empty, and I need to get this out because it's technically for the living room, and I need to use that space. So we are taking it to the living room. That is very messy, by the way. We don't care about cleaning at the moment. But by the way, the kitchen, I still have to clean these. But the kitchen looks pretty good. I'm still going to, you know, buy little things to help me organize and like set it better. But you guys, this looks awesome, doesn't it? So organized. I wanted to put this rice on one of these, but I want to buy all my pasta before I do so because it's probably going to take up all the pasta. And yeah, it looks awesome. A little bit of mess here. And yeah, so today I'm going to tackle the closet, as I said. And if you haven't seen me, if you didn't see the vlog where I was packing, I packed my stuff with the hanger so I don't have to hang them again. And then some of them will need new hangers, which I have over here. And I'm very excited to I'm going to put everything in the closet, and then I'm going to organize. I'm not going to organize as I go because I would rather just empty out all of the suitcases, and then I will decide where to put things. And I color coordinate my closet, so I will do that. Are we surprised? No, we're not. So yeah.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do.
All right, progress time, you guys. All 3 of the suitcases, when it comes to clothes, are completely gone, like empty. These are suitcases, completely empty. And this is the closet. This is just my summer clothes. I'm so bothered that it's not color coordinated, but it's way too tall for me. I've never felt short in my life, but now's the time, I guess. So I'm gonna have to kind of buy a stool here so that I can get up on it and feel comfortable enough to kind of relocate every single top so that I have them color coordinated. I think I'm gonna find a way, an organizing way that I can put here so that I can use this space, because it's a lot of space and I have a lot of clothes, because all of my winter stuff, PJs and winter clothing, sweaters, everything else is at my parents' house right now because I don't need it, so I didn't want to pack it. But I will have to use this space anyway. And then the drawers are done. This is my denim and shorts drawer, so I have all of my denim here, my dark pants here, and I have my denim shorts, my non-denim shorts, and then in here I put my gym clothing, so I have more room to grow my collection. I'm excited for that. So this is my leggings, my tops, and my sports bras. And then this is my PJs. These are my shorts, my tops, my tank tops, and then these are the spaghetti straps tops that I put on for PJs. This is the summer drawer, all of my swimsuits. If you remember the Bermuda vlog, then you know what these are. I love them. And then this is just a beach towel. This is a beach cover up. And then here is going to be my bras and my underwear and my my belts, but I'm going to have to buy, you know, those drawer organizers from IKEA so that I can kind of section them and kind of put each one in its place, or maybe top them off. And yeah, this is all of the clothes. So this is my desk stuff. This is a lot of bathroom stuff, and then I have shoes left. So I'm going to tackle shoes. For now, I'm going to put shoes in this space because I feel like I want to display them. You guys know that my shoes and my bags are my pride. I love them. It's my favorite thing about fashion. And so I just like to display my stuff like that. It makes me feel good when I open it up, or the way that I had it in my office. I feel like that's good. Good morning, everybody. Never mind all the mess. But that mess means one thing, is that I got my fridge. So yesterday I got my fridge right before going to my niece's birthday. This is it. It's a little skinny one. It's almost as tall as me, or maybe a little bit taller than me. But I feel like it's a great size for just myself, and the only thing in there is my mom's tiramisu. And yeah, today I can buy food that needs to stay fresh. So I have all freedom to buy all the food that I want, because now I can not only store it in cabinets, but I can also store it in my fridge. Anyway, yesterday after my niece's birthday, I just came back straight to the apartment, took a shower, went to sleep, and I got sick at night, started throwing up, and it just like I had a lot of stomach ache. Right now it is midday. I just woke up, to be honest, and I'm going to get my coffee from the coffee shop right by me. You guys, as if these 24 hours couldn't get any more interesting. This is my state right now. I actually got coffee. I got some bread, and I got 2 of these coffees because obviously it's that kind of morning where I need more caffeine. But as I was going out of the coffee shops, I spilled one and I made a mess. But I actually finished everything that was in the bedroom. As I said, the shoes, I only need a stool so I can access all over there, and I'm gonna put all of my winter shoes in there in the first one, because I don't use them, and then I'm gonna be putting things that I use in here. And then I put all of my traveling souvenirs on the fridge. The Sevilla one, I've never been to Sevilla. Barcelona, never been. And Genova, never been. So all 3 of them are gifts, and then the rest is actually mine. And then I went grocery shopping because I have a fridge now. So and by the way, if you think it's weird that I'm showing like all of my grocery stuff and everything, if you could see my YouTube history, you would be so surprised, because that's all I watch these days. Like, I watch organization videos, I watch fridge organization, pantry organization, kitchen organization, closet, like, not even because I'm moving. I've always been a fan of these videos and move-in videos. Lately, in the past few months, a lot of people have been doing grocery hauls, so I am doing one. If you're one of those people that enjoy watching them like me, let me know in the comments. So I got some pizza base, some quiches. Oh man, these are sweet. I can't make quiches with them, so I guess just like a pastry type of thing. I got mini pizzas, I got some cheese, I got cleaning products, I got some lentils and some rice. I got all of this yogurt. This is a baby one, but I actually love it. Y'all thought I was a grown-up, but I'm not. I got I got spices, butter, cream cheese. I got peanut butter. This one I really love, and it's peanut butter with honey. And I thought I'd try peanut butter with chocolate from the same brand, so I got that. I got some tuna, some pizza sauce, I got some jam and some oatmeal, and I got some cereal, and then I got some, oh yeah, and I got some coffee as well, because I don't want to be going out to get coffee every morning. So these are not my favorite, I'm gonna say. For the Nespresso, obviously the Nespresso is the first choice, but these are the only ones I can find, and I don't like them that much, but I'm gonna wait until I go to the grocery store. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I organized these drawers. So this is just electronics. This one, which the handles I need to stick back into it. This is all of my kind of creative drawers. So I have all of my design stuff on here. I have all of my files, and then all of my notebooks over there. And then what do I have? Here is like the couple of things, like the planner and this notebook that I use the most. And I have like a couple of camera things here and there. And then this one, I don't know what to put in. These are the handles for the last one. I need to stick them back. And then I put these twinkly lights around the TV, and I put this candle. That's a fall candle. I know we're in summer, but I need a summer candle for sure. But this candle I got like years ago, and I still haven't finished it. I love Bath & Body Works candles. They're really nice. And then I put this little letterboard here with the quote, "A ship in harbor is safe, but that is not what ships are built for," because I felt like it was kind of fitting to my life right now, because I just don't want to be staying in my comfort zones.
$250, you get $150 just for me.